more manageable by using just one DIY hair mask. Yes, so this hair mask is beneficial for the overall growth of your hair. So if you're someone like me who does not like to oil her hair, because whenever I do, I get pimples on my forehead. So अगर आपके साथ भी कोई ऐसा issue है, then you can try it out. And if you are facing any hair issue like hair fall, frizzy hair, dandruff, split ends, then you should definitely try it out. And if you just want to enhance the overall texture of your hair, तब भी आप इसे try कर सकते हो. Now I think that I should tell you how to make this hair mask. So let's go. So you just need curd according to the length of your hair. In this you will have to add 2 spoons of coconut oil and 1 spoon of castor oil. Do not add too much quantity of castor oil because it will be hard to remove due to its high viscosity. Now mix it well and make sure that the consistency should neither be too thick nor be too runny. Okay guys, so here I am with my DIY hair mask which I am gonna apply all over my hair from the roots to the length. But before that, you just have to comb your hair and make sure that your hair should be tangle free for the better application. And now it's the time for applying the hair mask. So I will take a little bit like this. Alright guys, so the masking is done and I am going to leave my hair like this for around 15 to 20 minutes. And if you want, you can just leave your hair like this, but I prefer to use this hair spa cap for the better results. So I am going to wear it directly like this. Okay, now I'll see you after 20 minutes. So guys, these are the results, and as you can already see that my hair are looking more presentable after wash. So you can also try it out, but make sure that don't use this hair mask more than once a week because it can make your hair very heavy after some time. You can use this after every alternate wash. And अगर आपके पास भी कोई ऐसे ideas है, then please do share with me. Maybe I can try it out in my upcoming video. So yeah, with this we are done with today's video. I hope कि हमारा hair mask आपके लिए भी उतना useful होगा जितना कि मेरे लिए. And if you are going to try it out, then please do not forget to come back and share your experiences. चाहे वो positive हो या negative हो, please come back and share with me. So yeah, that's all for today. Now I will see you in the next video.